How to create identity card in Google Docs. It's very easy. Today we'll learn how to make identity card in Google Docs. It's very easy. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and do like, share and comment. And if you have any kind of queries or if you have any kind of comments, please give me feedback in the comment section also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, you have to go in the google.com/docs, okay, and after logging in you will get this kind of interface of Google Docs. Then you have to directly go in insert, then go in drawing. Okay, when you will go in the drawing, it will open. Just wait for a moment. I'm opening, and from here you can use lots of shape. So just wait for a moment. It's loading because my internet speed is not good, that's why it's not opening fast. So first of all, I'm clicking here in the shape and shape. From the shape I'll choose the rectangle shape. So first of all, I'll choose the rectangle shape and I'll drag like this, okay, and okay, now I will start to just wait for a moment. I think I need to remove this one, and I'm using the text box like this. So first of all, I will write a school name. I think I need to write Sri Janodaya Higher Secondary School. Then I'll press enter. Bhojpur, Nepal. Okay, then after this I will start to put some interesting thing. So first of all, I'll write student name, then I'll put the roll number, then I'll put the father name, then I'll put my blood group also. Okay, this much. After this I'll put the signature. Okay, so I'm putting signature of student, teacher. Okay, and from here I'll put this bold in the center and I'll make it bold also. Okay, then I'll give some space. Yeah, like this, and I'll give more spaces, and from the shape I'll start to source a interesting shape. I think from here I need to drag this one. Okay, and here I need to type identity card. Okay, and just and I think I need to choose the color also. I'm choosing this color, and for this also I think I need to choose this color, and the picture color should font color should be I think white. Yeah, and here in the side I'll put another shape. From the shape I'll drag a rectangle, and here you can put a photo, but I'm just typing the photo. Okay, now our identity card is ready. Now you can use this identity card for your student. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will meet with you in another video. Thank you so much and goodbye.